Hello, my name is Ritik Samani. Today I'm here to walk you through my my platform. The basic views of this platform is to provide a similar platform to the organizations and businesses to reply to their customer grievances. As you can see, this is my dashboard here. We are having posts from multiple social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. The basic purpose here is to provide a single platform where the user will connect his social media accounts using OAuth. Let me walk you through the YouTube connection here. So once I connect my YouTube account, it will ask me to connect here. It is saying not verified as it is in develop mode here right now. Once I continue to this, it will ask me mind of I have already some access here. Once I do this, my account will be connected here. This account I have connected to my drops, and right now I am having the data being fetched from YouTube related to some keywords uh, that I have provided. So basically, I am using two type of searches here. First is the YouTube video fetcher cron job that will fetch all the videos from my YouTube channel, and second is the global keyword search. So the global keyword search is the basic use of this is to fetch all the videos related to uh, the keyword I am providing. Now I'll walk you through how the grievances will be answered here. Let me open this particular grievance. Here I am having the video link, and these are the comments that I am going to reply to. So if I open this particular video, the video I am having here and the grievance I am having here will be the same, as you can see this. And the basic purpose of this platform is to reply instantaneously to the customer grievance. So let me write something here, and sorry for the intro. Yeah, sorry, the intro. Hmm. Once I click on the submit button, it will post this comment successfully, as you can see here. And when I view on the YouTube channel,